Welcome and karibuni to Aroma of Zanzibar. Today I'm going to share with you how I'm making this crunchy, delicious chicken quesadillas. So I've got about 1.5 pounds of chicken breast that has been sliced into thin strips, and I used 1 teaspoon of fresh garlic, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, about 3/4 teaspoon of paprika, and 1 teaspoon of oregano. And also I'm just gonna add some black pepper, about half a teaspoon or more, and then some salt. I'm using sea salt, and some olive oil, about 2 tablespoons, to get the chicken moist. Now for quesadillas, there's so many recipes, there's so many seasoning that you can use out there. I don't have a specific recipe, I just use whatever I have, and this is what I happen to have at the moment. So I am not gonna put any ingredients in the description box below. If you want to make them spicy, go ahead and make them spicy. If you want to add onion powder, go ahead and do so. So after mixing the chicken, I let it sit for about 15 minutes. And I'm using the flip pan here. I would have loved to use the grill, but I don't have one. So you can saute, you can grill, you can bake, however you want to do. Okay? Whatever suits you, whatever you have. Okay, so I've got my heat on medium high. So after about 5 minutes, I just flip the chicken. You can also use the whole chicken breast and then slice it later. It all works well. So now I'm just flipping them to the other side. And the chicken is ready. So now I'm just gonna take it out. Now on this pan, on very low heat, I've just added about 1.5 tablespoons of olive oil, and before it gets hot, I'm going to caramelize the onions. I've used 1 yellow onion, actually half of it. It was a large onion, and so it's going to be on a very, very low heat because I wanted caramelized onions, but it didn't work so well because the pan was really, really thin. So I just decided to go ahead and add my bell peppers, which is I used half of red and half of green. And you don't have to use vegetables if you don't want to, but I love to add vegetables to such meals where kids love. So I also added cumin powder, about 1/4 teaspoon, and half a teaspoon and half a teaspoon the paprika and black pepper. All right. And you can cook these however you like, however you want. I mean, season them however you like. And so the salt, and then my vegetables are ready. My kids love quesadillas, so when I add vegetables, they can't even tell. So these are my tortillas that I have already shared the recipe, and I'm just gonna grease the bottom of the tortilla with I'm using vegetable oil. You can use butter if you want. So on my pan here, that's on medium high, and I kept the bottom on the pan. All right. Then the cheese, I'm using mozzarella cheese. You can use any cheese that that melts well. Mozzarella, Kobe, Monterey Jack, whatever you have. Okay, then we're gonna place the chicken. This is very simple. And then my vegetables. Now, if you don't want vegetables, you can just do chicken and cheese and you'll be good. You want to add some corn, you want to add some mushrooms. I love mushrooms, but that's on my steak. All right. And then more cheese. We love quesadillas with a lot of cheese. And then we're just gonna, the grease was a bit too much, but it made it very crispy. Made the quesadillas very crispy. And you're just gonna press. The idea here is to get the cheese to melt and to bind the tortilla on both sides, and of course to get it on the chicken and the vegetables. So I'm trying to press it like that. Now I have shared a video a long time ago, I think 2016. I looked at it today on how I make the condiments that I use for quesadillas or for fajitas or for burritos. So I will put it in the description box below. So I'm sorry, I thought I was recording this part, but I Obviously not, so I'll just show you how I sliced these. And it was quite hot on the pan there, but I just wanted it to be hot, and the knife was so. But as you can see, they're very nice and crispy and also very cheesy. And we're just going to serve them. And it's always nice to have quesadillas when they are hot. They are much better. So thank you so much. For more recipes, please visit me at Rome of Zanzibar. Please stay home and stay clean and stay well. And I wish you a wonderful Ramadan. And please join me in my next video. Thank you.